Hi everyone, this is Farah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. I love to make videos on luxury, fashion, style, so if that is the type of videos you love to watch, then please stick around, watch the rest of this video, and if you love what you see, please hit subscribe and come back for more. Today I'm going to show you guys what fits in my Chanel handbag. If you go back many videos, you'll see that I unboxed the Chanel handbag and I was so excited, and I still am. It's my only Chanel handbag and I really love it, but I don't know, after I got it, it's just been sitting because I think I've been like too scared to use it and feel like I need to, be careful with it. So I'm trying to get over that. And so I figured today, if I kind of talk through it and show it to you guys, show what fits, then maybe I'll be more likely to use it. And I haven't even cut the tags off. Like, it's crazy. I don't know why. So I'm going to do that today because I think that's going to make me actually wear it. So here it is. I just have it in like a Coach dust bag, like a silk Coach dust bag. And here is the bag. It was a iridescent calfskin large sheet quilt bag that I got from Fashion File for a really good deal. And I love it, and it's exactly what I wanted. I wanted quilting, I wanted gold hardware, I wanted leather straps, and like the turn lock with the CCs in it, and the straps tucked in. The straps here are chain linked, it's adjustable. I wanted like a neutral color, I got that. Yeah, I love this bag. Like I love this color. I love how it's like a denim kind of color. So first of all, I think I need to go ahead and cut these tags off because I can't even return it now. It's been like so long. So I don't know why I've had the tags on. So I wanted to do that on video with you guys. I have my scissors right here. So let's go for it. Let's do it. Here we go. So all these things say that if you cut the tag off, you can't return it anymore, which specifically says that on here. It says, snip the tag to make this beauty yours. No returns once removed. So, not that I can do it anyways, but here we go. There it is. Oh, that was anticlimactic, but all right, it's off. It's off. I can't return it, even if I wanted to. Okay, so that was the first step of letting this little baby get out of the house. It's like sending kids to college. I guess that must be what it feels like. So that is off. I can no longer say the tags are on it, and that's why I haven't worn it. So let me open this and show you the inside. Got the stuffing. So this is just one big compartment. It's which I like. I don't really like the double flaps and stuff. I mean, I think they look nice, but I don't think they're so user friendly. Look at this beautiful color. I love it. It's got one pocket back here. Plenty of space. Definitely will fit everything that I need. When it's not stuffed, it's very collapsible like that. And I do have a longer strap I can put on it as well. So I bought these things from Amazon and they fit perfectly. So this one is just regular paper. This one is just like they came in like a 2-pack, but this one has like a zipper here, and this one's got 2 little slip pockets. So they go in the bag like so. I can put just like one in. I just want like one thing here. Or if I want even 2, I've been using both of them kind of squished in here to like help stuff it, and it'll close. But really, if I actually use it, I would probably just have like this one in here. So, and I think it matches. So let me show you guys what fits in here, because I think this is why I haven't used it, because I just haven't put anything in here. So my essentials that I would normally have is first I've got this little what do you call these things? You guys know what it's called. This is the like insert. An insert? Yeah. So I have the insert in here, already taking up some space, but now I've got my wallet. So the wallet will go in there. Headphones are in here. A pen. Some lip products. I've got a chapstick and a lip product. They can actually go in these little pockets here. Hand lotion or hand sanitizer can go in the other pocket. Keys. Sunglasses. There's that. And phone, there's plenty of room. I could even put my phone back here. There we go. It's really comfortable. And I can wear this longer if I pull it through. Like this. There we go. So then it can actually be worn with like a longer shoulder, very short crossbody. And I also actually have another bag which has this very similar color that I can use the strap for and make it longer. So this is a Rebecca Minkoff mini Mac bag, which I had first, I think. And then this, look at this. It's like the exact same color. I'm actually thinking I might sell this one because I'm definitely gonna be reaching for this. I mean, I know they're different, but exact same color. And it comes with this strap. So once I realized it's like the exact matching strap, even like the gold hardware is like the same gold. Isn't that crazy? That I can actually wear it with the strap. So how I can do that is inside, it's got these little loops that's holding the straps in. Right there, you can see it. And I can take these, I can loop it here, like that. Actually, the other one here. Like that. Okay, just close the back. So then I've got, you know, the strap originally from this, which I could just leave like this. And then I've got a really long shoulder strap bag with like chunky chains. Like that. So I've definitely been playing around and having fun with this bag. I just haven't taken it out yet, but I think, you know, now that all these things are already inside, I've already got all my items packaged in there. I've got the versatility of different ways to wear it, where I can wear it, you know, just short, kind of like handheld like this, or like the other longer chain. And this chain I could actually go like that. And this can, now I can wear this crossbody. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start to wear this out. So this was, I know, a quick video, but just a fun one to really get me to start to use this bag. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you like videos like this where, you know, we just have fun, talk about handbags. I make a lot of unboxing videos, reveal of handbags, kind of how to wear them, comparison videos, just kind of really like enjoying what we have and sharing new items that we get. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments below of the different ways to wear it. Have you guys ever had where you bought a bag and then it's just stayed in the closet forever just because you've been scared to wear it? Well, hopefully this will not happen because now I put my things in, so I'm forced to wear it. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you guys for stopping by. Again, please subscribe if you love this type of video, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.